Alright YouTube, quick, easy video. I'm going to show you how to use one of these cigarette rolling machines. Super easy, and this is how you do it. So you have two rollers, right? And this one has a notch. Okay, on either side. So all you got to do is open up the machine. So slide this roller open, and that's the front. So you want that facing towards you. Open like this. Okay? Now, if you want to use a filter, like I'm going to do, I have tobacco and a filter. So I'm going to put my filter in on the end, okay? Either side, it doesn't matter. So next, you take your stuff, whatever you want, put it in. If you don't want to use a filter, just fill up the whole thing from end to end. Distribute it. And sort of tamp it down. Now, you're going to want to close it. So you're going to push this front roller up through the slot, the channel, and up into its closed position. So you're going to push it up and away from you. Now you have it like this. I like to tap off the excess, right? And now what you're going to do to get everything prepped is you're going to take both rollers and spin them at the same time towards you. Okay? Just do that a few times around. And it'll kick off some extra, so I just tap that out. Now, you're ready for the paper. So you're gonna need 1.0 sized papers with a glue line. All right, so take your paper, and the glue line is facing towards me on the top side like this. And so you're gonna wanna just stick the paper in, okay, with one hand, and you hold it nice and straight, and with your other hand, my left hand in this case, you're gonna just suck it down just a little bit. Okay, so everything's still closed up, right? And so make sure it's lined up, and so now you're just gonna you're gonna do the same thing as before. You're gonna roll both rollers towards you, and it's gonna draw the paper down, okay? Now, you can kind of make it neat as you go. But once you get to the glue line, that's where you're gonna lick it. So I'm not gonna do it on camera, I'm gonna lick it off camera. All right, so you wet the whole glue line, and then you just spin it. Keep everything nice and tight and straight, and just give that a couple rotations, and now you're done. So now you just open up, you can see it there, okay? Now you just open up the machine, open up this roller towards you, and there you go. Clean it up, you can tap it down, you can take a little tool and push it down. That's what I do. I'll take a pencil, push some down, tap some out, push it down some more, and I'll twist the end up. So then I'm done. Here's my roll your own cigarette with a filter, okay? Ready to smoke. So that's all you need is one of these and 1.0 papers. You can use bigger papers, but you're gonna have more paper that you're gonna be burning, and you don't really need it. You'll find that you can only fit so much. Like, you can compact it down really tight and stuff, but once you close it and do that initial like spin, it'll just kick out the excess. So it really is like self-governing. You can only roll them to like a certain thickness, which is like as much as you need. Like, that's pretty fat, so. Yep, super easy. So there you go. That's how you do it. See ya. And this is just like your basic size. So that's why I'm using the 1.0s. Like, this is just your like basic regular sized one. They make these in bigger sizes, lengthwise, and they probably make them like to fit more. So that's when you might want to use a longer or wider paper. But just for the standard size, you just need the regular rolling machine and then the 1.0s. So that's also what I wanted to note.